Okay, guys. Are you guys ready? Oh, hold on. Okay, so this baby is crying. So the baby needs food. So you guys will feed the baby. Sweet, sweet baby. So the spoons that you've been given to, the first person to finish, which are the lovely people sitting down, will win. Are you ready? Is everybody good? Ready? ¿Listo? Una, dos, tres. Go, 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 go! Feed the baby, feed the baby, feed the baby. Get ready, get the baby. Feed the baby, feed the baby. Okay, feed the baby. Make sure. Feed the baby, feed the baby. Everybody feed the baby. Feed the baby. Go ahead and feed that lovely baby. Feed the baby. Rápido, rápido, rápido. Go ahead, let you go. Feed the baby. Hey, you're not supposed to throw the food. You gotta feed the baby. Feed the baby. Feed the baby. Don't make a mess, guys. Hold on. I think okay. Everybody else have that. The first person I saw raise your hand was Lalo and Lalo and Luis. They went first. I saw them raise. Okay, guys, thank you for your participation. Okay, let's see. It's finished. Ya ganaron. Yo, we got a winner. We got Lalo and Luis are the winners. Okay, can the winners come again? Thank you, guys. Thank you. Some of us don't know how to feed. Some of us don't know how to feed the baby. Okay, you guys did such a good job. Thank you, guys. Gracias. Thank you, guys. You did such a good job, Helen. You did so good, Helen. I love it, Helen. Good job. So good. So good. You did so good. It's so beautiful. Thank you, guys, for participating. Chụp lên nữa, rồi lúc ngoài chụp. Ok. You did so good. Thank you guys. We'll take a break. We'll take a minute break. Now another minute break. Vamos a ir más despacio. Ahora vamos a necesitar la mamá. We are now going to need Guin to come up here. Because we are going to use Guin to everybody. Stay right there. So we're gonna slow it down, guys, a little bit, okay? Vamos a ir un poco lentos hoy. Ahorita, en este próximo juego. We are gonna get the measurement of this lovely baby she is carrying. So take a look. She's gonna go around, and you guys are gonna take a look. And I'm gonna go around, and we're gonna cut a piece of paper, and the person that has the closest to her size wins. So, but you guys gonna have to come up here to give me your paper guess, okay? Does that make sense? Nobody can measure her belly. Nobody can touch her belly, nothing. The only thing you do, and is by looking at it and trying to figure it out. How long is it? How long is her belly? And I'll give you a piece of paper for you guys to cut and to take a good guess. Yes, it has to be all the way around. Oh, I got this one. Pass this around, and she might go around. When it's gonna go around. Y'all can't cheat now. Don't put your hand. No. Just take a look, visualize, and try to guess how big the baby is. I'm gonna pass this around. And yeah. Entonces vamos a medirle ahora la panza de la embarazada. No pueden hacer trampas, no sean tramposos. Hay alguien ahí que a ver si a ver quién gana, a ver quién le mide bien. Ahorita le vamos a pasar papel para que le empiecen. Let's start over here, Gwen. You can start over here. Oh, sorry, Gwen. I'm stepping on your dress. Okay, who wants to play? I could use this to cut it. Who's gonna take a guess? I'm gonna go ahead and go away. Don't cheat now, don't cheat.
That might be close. I didn't cheat, right here.
Don't be touching her. Nobody can touch. Look around. Go around. Make sure they get a look at close. Que vean bien cerca, bien cerca. Ve cómo se ve la embarazada. Ve cómo le mide. Go over there, Gwen. Go around. Gwen, walk around. There you go, Gwen. I love that, Gwen. That's so good, Gwen. That's excellent. Go around.
Cut it wherever you want.
Go ahead, Gwen. Go. Le mide, a ver, ok, vamos a ver si es la medida bien, a ver, la medida, ok, vamos a ver, échale bien la medida, no haga ahead, I hope everybody's looking carefully, try to measure, maybe if you were in the middle, maybe you can measure yourself, there you go, somebody has a good idea right there. Okay, guys, mírale, don't touch, no hagan trampas, no toquen.
Right here, for me.
Okay, ya vamos bien. No anden trampas, no anden tocando. Don't see, no touching, don't touch, don't see. I mean, see, but don't touch. Everybody listen carefully, everybody's looking. Furman's going around, Scarlett has some as well too. Go ahead, measure yourself, maybe you close. Look at this baby.
Vamos, que no va a ser
Everybody ready?
Sí, por eso lo traje. Pero no mire, ese es para eso, exclusivamente para eso. Yo no sabía nada.
Tampoco.
Está bien. Y es que ellos se organizaron bien. Bien, yo no había visto.
Everybody ready? Everybody? No? Yeah? No? Ya looked at Guin already. Anybody needs a second look? You need a third look. Alguien tiene que verla de nuevo. Tienen que ver.
What's up?